How to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Full guide. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to find amazing products at amazing deal prices for your Shopify store. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. To do this, first off, you need to have an account on CJ Dropshipping. Now, you can do this as you go with Shopify or do this beforehand because it can be easier to set up your account on CJ and then link it to Shopify instead of directly going from Shopify, creating your account, and then linking it. So, the first thing you're going to do is head on over to cjdropshipping.com. Now, once you are on cjdropshipping.com, click on register on the top right. Once you click on register on the top right, you have a few different options for registration. You can sign up with your email address, WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Apple, or Shopify as well. So I already have an account, but if you are starting right now, simply enter your email address and then enter a suitable password. Once you do that, your account will be ready on CJ Dropshipping. So once you have created your account, simply go into the sign in page and then use Google or use your email address, whatever you have used to create your account, to sign in. Now that we have signed into our account, it's time to link it to Shopify. To do that, the first step you have to do is open up your Shopify dashboard. Now, once you have opened up your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, scroll down and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Once you do that, open up the Shopify App Store with the Shopify App Store button. Now, once you open up this particular button, this will lead you to the Shopify App Store from where you are going to search for CJ Dropshipping. Now, CJ Dropshipping have their own application that is specifically made for Shopify, which can help you in building your connection from CJ to Shopify. So once you search for CJ Dropshipping, you will see this application over here. Click on this application, and once you have clicked on it, click on Install. Make sure that the developer is listed as CJ Dropshipping to make sure that the correct application is being installed. Once you do that, click on Install once more in the new tab, and now CJ Dropshipping will be linked to your Shopify store. Now, because we have already created our account, it is displaying the email address and it's asking me if this is the email address account that I want to link to my Shopify store. So we are going to take the option for the store authorization agreement and then click on authorize. And this makes it so much easier to connect to Shopify. And just like that, we have now connected our Shopify store and CJ Dropshipping. Now, once we have connected our store, the next step is to get started with finding and sourcing products. So make sure that your store is authorized by going into authorization on the left and then clicking on Shopify. Once you click on Shopify, you will see your store name and it has been authorized. Now it's time to find our products. To do that, you can simply go on ahead and get started with different ways for products such as sourcing where you can get a product made that fulfills all of your requirements. But if you're just starting out with dropshipping, simply click on find product on the top. Once you click on find product, you will see some trending products over here. If these trending products befit the niche of store that you have created, so my store niche is primarily women's clothing, I can easily add these types of dresses into my storefront. But if I don't like them, I can always go on ahead, go into women's clothing, and then I can search or use a particular category. So let's say I want to look for cocktail dresses. So I'm going to open that up and this will show me some of the different options that are available. You can also go into the top section over here and search for things. So I'm looking for summer dresses. So I can just search for that over here. Plus, if there is anything that you like on AliExpress, then you can easily go on ahead and paste in the AliExpress URL and it will find similar or the same product for you on CJ Dropshipping as well. Now, for me, I really like to use the trending products because those usually yield a lot of sales because I know for a fact that these two types of dresses are going to work well with the So I know for a fact that these two types of dresses are going to work well. You can also scroll down and see some of the newer products, some of the video product, which means that these products are probably trending on TikTok or Instagram. And you can even see some super deals where you can find even further discounts on already affordable products on CJ. Now, let's say that I like this dress on over here. Now, I can open up this particular product, and if I click on the product, this will give me all of the details. So, the colors, the sizes, the warehouse it is present, and then also the Shopify order time. So, for the processing time, we have 1 to 3 days. And then for the delivery time, it takes 7 to 12 days with a shipping fee of $7, around $7 to $8. Then, this is for a particular type of delivery. There are different types of delivery options you can pick out from if you want faster delivery. Now, I'm going to leave it at the standard option because it is the cheapest, and there is delivery that could cost $28 for only 3 to 7 days, but that just makes it unreasonable. So, if you're satisfied with the overall product, you can view the product description for more information. Simply click on Add to My Product. Now, this can help you in filtering out different types of products. And once you have something added to your My Product, click on My Product on the left. Once you click on My Product on the left panel over here, you will see all of the products that you have inserted into your list. This is just a list to help you decide which products you want or don't want in your store. If you still, have compared this to other products and like it, you can click on List over here. Then you can begin editing the particular store info. So for the product type, I'm going to add this as a dress. And then my vendor is going to be ruffles. Then I'm going to add my title, which is going to be party dress. And then after that, I'm going to add this to my collection. Then for the variant pricing, there are two different colors and prices. So I want to add a simple price change of $20. Okay. And I'll just add the recommended pricing. And after that, we can also customize the images and the videos we do or do not want to display. So let's say I don't want to display this image or this image, and you can pay for these TikTok videos, or you can even find these TikTok videos on TikTok and download them from there. Then click on description, and this is really important. Make sure to remove the images from the description. This is a really telltale sign that your product is being dropshipped. They always add a bunch of images in the description box, so make sure to cut these out, or if you like them, you can keep them as well. But for us, I usually find these to look a bit unprofessional, especially when you already have a designated media section. Then I will remove the overview and just keep the product info. And I'm going to remove the color. And then this, I'm going to add this, only this basic product info. And once I've done that, I'll just click on Listed Now. Now, in a couple of seconds, our product from CJ Dropshipping will be listed onto our Shopify store. So, as you guys can see, our listing has now been completed. And just like that, with CJ Dropshipping, we have now connected our store and started listing product on Shopify. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to build connections from CJ to Shopify. And if you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.